When I started doing YouTube, one of the person I watched all the time was Casey Neistat. He used to get sent loads of stuff for free, right? People just send him stuff. So please open this on I make these at home, or I love your videos and I'll send you this. I've always wanted to do what he called mail time. Now, we haven't got loads of parcels, but we have got one. So, it's mail time. I'm so excited. We're going to talk about, I'm going to open, I've not opened this box, it's completely sealed. I know who it's from though, it's from a company called Slice, and we're going on a podcast, so everyone that goes on a podcast, they send a box of their stuff, which is a cool, nice little touch. So you send us a box of stuff, no idea what's in here. I thought we'd just open it and we'll go through this stuff and play around with it, have a look, right? Together, live, in a way. Feel like Casey. If you don't know Slice, basically they make like safety knives and stuff like that for the workplace. So they have sent us one of their safety cutters, a box cutter, pen cutter, a mini cutter, bloody hell, utility knife, folding utility knife, scissors, utility knife metal handle, auto retraceable, utility knife auto retraceable, squeeze trigger, utility scraper, precision cutter, edge cutter. Awesome. First we have large scissors, lightweight handle, ambidextrous, reinforced nylon handle, finger friendly. So this is like one of their selling products is their ceramic blades. So they're like safer than traditional blades. Oh look, they've got an easy open. Oh, I love a bit of simple innovation like that. What do we reckon? Are we going for it? I'm pressing down proper hard on there. No, like, obviously it's not comfortable, but it's not cutting me. It's like if you press really hard, which I wouldn't recommend, just about mark your finger. But other than that, and then, bloody hell, and then it cuts proper good as well. That's nuts. That is nuts, man. I thought I cut myself a second ago, but like, it's uncomfortable, but like, I wouldn't recommend it. You gotta press proper hard, like it's finger safe. Look. That's nuts. What else have we got? Oh, this one looks juicy. Auto retractable metal handle utility knife with sliced ceramic blade. Oh, I love this. It's got like a perforated back, so you can open it easier, except I'm not doing very well. I could use my slice scissors. That one feels a bit sharper. Definitely feels a bit sharper. But ultimately, it's definitely not like... Sharp on there though. Does it say finger safe on here? Safer than traditional blades. Safer than traditional blades. So it's not like it's not magic. It's not going to not cut you. But also you can feel there's like an edge to it. You feel it's sharp, but nice ergonomic handle as well. I like it. What else have we got? Oh, this one's cool. It's got like a belt clip. There we go, belt clip. Ah, perforated backs working this time. Nice. Oh, this is heavy duty. Is it going to flip out? Does it flip out? Or do you have to pull it out? That's cool. Does it automatically flip out? Quick release lock. Oh, that's the lock. That's cool though. You got like a button on there, which you won't be able to see because it's black on black. This is like heavy, man. This is heavy duty. And then it folds round and then that locks in. You press that button and it can either lock like halfway like that or lock like all the way on there. But this is cool. Ceramic blade again. There's like a little button here. I think that's to replace the blade. Oh, the blade comes out dead easy. Your little button there and then you just pull it out and the blade comes out. That's well good. I like this one. That's going in my rucksack for sure. Oh, that's cool. What else have we got? Should we just... This one is auto retractable squeeze trigger utility knife. Squeeze handle to expose blade. Oh, I love the perforated back. Ooh, that's... Again, ceramic blade, safer. Still sharp though, but safer. Like, you can rub your finger along it. Again, wouldn't advise it, but... I like the kind of... what's it called handle. It's still got some go in it. Definitely cuts. Like one of the problems I had when I was in safety, trying to get like safety blades, is that everybody did say, well, it doesn't cut, it's annoying, it's slow, but like, cuts pretty well to me. What's this one? Utility scraper with ceramic blade manual. Ideal for scraping paint, rust and adhesives. Can you use it for ice on your car? Probably not. Oh, it's like a little push button and your blade pops out. That's cool. I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep it all, to be fair. Give it a little scrapey scrape. They're all quite like nicely, like it feels sturdy. This one's got like a real nice like rubbery bit to it here. This one is my favourite so far. This is heavy duty. Like the weight to this is phenomenal. And also, that. I don't know why they put that little thing there to tie it onto something, but that just makes me feel cool. What's this? Manual box cutter with sliced ceramic blade, 3 position. God, this one's proper like clamped in with some kind of rubbery thing. Is that supposed to be on there? Ah, just slides off the edge. So this one's got three positions. 3 positions. What, 3 position to hold it? Oh. This one won the Redot Design Award, according to this. That's cool. Ambidextrous, no tool blade change, lanyard hole, reinforced nylon handle. Yeah, that's quite, you can feel like it's a nylon handle, and you can feel it there, like it's quite nice to, quite ergonomic actually, that is. Like the little hook idea. I feel like that would work quite well on like a tool belt or something. Nice. Nice. I like the colours as well, like the black and orange, the black and green. It all looked quite nice, very aesthetically pleasing. What we got here? Auto retractable pen cutter. Perforated back, love that. Love little innovations like that. Well, this is cute. That's handy to have like a little, oh, that's good. You could just have that in your handbag, like in your car or something like that, in your rucksack. Little kind of relatively safe blade, just a little letter opener. Not really going to impact too much. That'd be quite good for like warehouses and stuff, wouldn't it? Or like, I remember when I was a chef, like we'd use like chef knives to bloody open boxes. Something like that'd be quite good. Little pen, not too bulky. Like put that in your apron, like in your pocket. What have we got here? We've got a retractable precision cutter. This one looks like a pen. Like actually looks like a pen. Oh wow, that really is precision. The blade there, can just see it. Gone. It's like the little white dot at the top of there. That really is precision. Let's try it. I don't want to ruin this box. I haven't opened this one yet. God, blimey, yeah. God, that really is precise. Do you know, I feel like that would be really good for like marking if you were cutting something with like a saw or like marking something. It's got a little, quite a nice little edge to it. Very precise though. Hence why it's called the precision cutter. 2 good little, simple little knives to have in your rucksack. Rubbish. Hey. Manual mini cutter. This is cute as well. Oh, that locks it. Oh no, it doesn't. Locked. Unlocked. Ah. This one, simple little blade there. Look. Slide it up, slide it down. Got a nice little sharp edge to it, but like ultimately it's not going to slice you, just to run it. I wouldn't press down on it, but it's definitely safer than the metal, the steel blades or whatever they are. Simple little like up down, then you got like a little button there, and that's how you change the blade. Nice, like that. Last but not least, utility cutter. Well, this looks beefy. For cutting plastic, PVC, vinyl, rubber tubing, vinyl tile, and cardboard. This looks heavy duty. I use this little pen knife to open up the sellotape. Whoa. Whoa. This is heavy duty. Quite nice ergonomic handle. What we got here? Oh, blade store. Like a bit of that. This one's, oh, what's this? Oh, no, another little one. Let's see if we can get in this. Hey! Oh, this is cute. Oh, just a safety cutter. Blade never rusts. I never thought of that. It's never going to rust or anything, is it? It's not really going to age. It's just ceramic. Well, that's good. Just trying to open like sellotape or something. Perfect little thing. Yeah, can you see the blade on top of there? See that little dot there? This video is not sponsored, but they did send us this stuff for free, like I said, because you're going on a podcast. So we got a pair of scissors, sliced ceramic scissors, precision pen, another pen cutter, but less precise. Heavy duty ones, little slide locks, so you can lock it shut. Big heavy duty cutters, the trigger knife thing, that's cool. I like that. I like the trigger, that's cool. I feel like it, oh, you got a lanyard holder there, look, at the bottom. That's right. I like this though. I like the trigger action. Hold it, slice. Instead of having to hold it up with your thumb, like that would annoy me. Like I feel like I've lost traction, lost like, I don't know, leverage. But with the trigger, kind of got that leverage to cut the box or cut the shrink wrap or whatever. I think that's much better than the push. Scraper, push it open, give it a scrape. The box cutter, nice ergonomic handle, nice rubbery feel to it as well. You can have the blade out just a little bit, and you can have it like all the way out. Old school styling, for those of us that like the old school Stanley blades. See, I feel like the gun is better than the slide. I feel like when you put the thumb up, you lose, well, I suppose if you use the thumb as a push down, yeah, I suppose it's just me. Maybe it's user error. I feel like I like the gun better. The gun trigger style thing, whatever you want to call it. I feel like that's better. And then my favourite is definitely this. This is heavy duty. This is nice. It's got a real nice feel to it. And I like that it's got a belt clip on it as well. That's cool. Thank you, Slice. We've never run out of like ways to cut things and open things in this household now. Thank you very much. Looking forward to coming on your podcast. Thank you very much for the invite. Thank you very much for having us on. Safe.